Very quickly, I'll give you some tips on how to become tranquil and calm if you're an artist and you like to draw. It's something that I have experienced in the past, and I also made a video on it before, and I'll leave the link down below on how to activate the right side of your brain by drawing. Here's some quick tips on how to find tranquility and calmness when drawing. Number one is doing blind contour drawing, which means drawing something as simple as drawing your hand while looking at your hand without looking at the paper, and just following all the contour line around it, all the outlines, and looking at the crevices in between. You can go in and back out without lifting at your pencil. Go all around. Number two is doing the upside down drawing, which I've made a video on previously, and I'll leave the link down below. It's called Portrait of Igor Stravinsky, exercise that I did back in high school that I feel like was very, very useful. And it's not to achieve the matching the drawing upside down, but to calm your hand and coordinate your hand and eye. Your hand and your eye coordination needs to be synced in order for you to become a better artist. Number three, and then that goes with the upside down drawing, is drawing from left to right. So as you go down, you go line, 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 and you keep going, and you're like writing a message, but you're just like drawing shapes, adding shapes to the drawing. And you're going from left to right. Number four is doing one thing at a time. So if you're painting, you're drawing, you're only doing that. You're only focusing on that drawing, and you start seeing how things will start coming to place. But number five is doing everything slowly. Taking your time drawing is like reading a book compared to scheming a book. If you take your time drawing, you're gonna see every curve, every line, and that's all there is, curves and lines. But if you are scheming through the book, skimming the book, reading fast, you won't really grasp any of the knowledge. And if you draw fast, you won't translate any of your visions into the paper. You would just draw whatever you think instead of drawing what you really see. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. To see more updates, turn on the notification bell. Like this video if you agree with some of the points that I'm giving. With that, I want to say never stop learning for you, because when you learn, you can teach others.
Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media. And if you like the video, click the like button. If you want to see more videos, click the video in the middle. And don't forget, never stop learning for you.